Dear students, welcome. Now we are going to discuss about coplanar concurrent force system. In coplanar concurrent force system, all the forces act in the same plane and they intersect at a common point. Forces F1, F2, F3, F4 act at a common point O. Now the F1 inclination with horizontal theta 1, F2 inclination with horizontal theta 2, F3 inclination with horizontal theta 3, F4 inclination with horizontal theta 4. Now this is mentioned as x-axis and y-axis. This one x-axis positive direction, negative direction. Y-axis positive direction, negative direction. Now resolve the forces. All the forces. How to resolve the forces? F1, consider this is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Now cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse equal to F1. So adjacent equal to F1 cos theta 1. F1 cos theta 1. So horizontal, our requirement horizontal, adjacent horizontal requirement equal to F1 cos theta 1. So similarly, sin theta equal to opposite divided by hypotenuse F1. So opposite means this vertical direction. So opposite equal to F1 sin theta 1. So for resolving the force F1, horizontal component F1 cos theta 1, vertical component F1 sin theta 1. Similarly, resolve all the forces. This one F2 cos theta 2, vertical component F2 sin theta 2. Similarly, this one horizontal component F1 cos theta 1, vertical component F1 sin theta 1. Okay, direction important. This direction towards horizontal towards right side, vertical towards upward. Horizontal towards left side, vertical towards upward. Similarly, F3 cos theta 3, F3 cos theta 3 and F3 sin theta 3. Similarly, theta 4, F4 cos theta 4 and F4 sin theta 4. Now add the horizontal component sigma h equal to F1 cos theta 1 positive direction and F2 cos theta 2 towards negative direction. So minus F2 cos theta 2 and F3 cos theta 3 also minus. So minus F3 cos theta 3, F4 cos theta 4 positive plus F4 cos theta 4. Similarly, sigma V vertical component, vertical force. Sigma V equal to all the vertical components. F1 sin theta 1 positive, F1 sin theta 1 positive, and F2 sin theta 2 also positive plus F2 sin theta 2 also positive, minus F3 sin theta 3 and minus F4 sin theta 4, minus F3 sin theta 3 minus F4 sin theta 4. Now how to find the resultant force? R equal to root of sigma h square plus sigma v square. And how to find the direction of the resultant theta? theta equal to tan inverse sigma v by sigma h. Dear students, this is introduction about coplanar concurrent force system. In next video, we will discuss about problem in coplanar concurrent force system. Thank you.